Hello bosses, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to replace the AC compressor. As you can see, I have this one. I bought it and $151, and comes with the vacuum pump. See, I already put oil in it. See, this is the filling gauge, filling lead. This one is the one that's connected with the yellow. Alright, now everything is set. All I need to do is to put it on and vacuum it, the whole thing. Right, at the moment it's closed, and it's off, it's closed. So what I'll do is I'm going to, this one, I think this one is the, I think this is the low, I think the low.
Oh, no.
No, this is the high one. So I'm gonna put it in the high one here. There you go. That's that. Now I put it underneath. The next one underneath, this one here. You see that side. So I'm going to remove that. To the side. Just make that. Okay. That's the one. This one there. And now I'm gonna put this one on. Sure. What's wrong with it? Okay. This one is good. How come this one? It's the wrong, right one. There you go. That's that. You gotta push it properly. Okay, that's already done. So at the moment, it's actually gone to zero. What we need is to go to 30. Okay, so it means that I have the gas. So what I need now is to open it. But before we do that, we need to put this on. So we're all set and connected. That is connected. The high pressure is connected. The lower pressure is connected. So what we need to do is now open that, open both of them, and then we need to see this one. We go to 30 at least. Let's see. Okay. All right. And just put that. Okay. There you go. So now we're going to open it. Open is right. Open is right. and other one is right. Yeah. Now they're open. Now we're going to turn it on, this one. Okay, now it's on. Now we're gonna open this one. Also this one, other side. Yep. So now it's wait for probably in about a minute to vacuum it. You can see it's now going to 30. So we just leave it like that. We do it for a minute. So we're gonna count a minute for that. Going to 30. So maybe it's now around about maybe a minute. So as you can see, there's no leak. Nothing is leaking there. Nothing is leaking there. Okay. Let me just show you closer. There you go. Alright, boss, it's been about 2 minutes. I make it 2 minutes. So it's in the nearly 30. So what we're gonna do now is to turn off this one and close that. Close the low pressure and high pressure. And then we leave it for about 45 minutes. So we just turn off that. Now we're going to close this. Hopefully we don't have any leak. As you can see, it's sitting now on the 29. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. It's now sitting on 29. There you go. So we'll wait for about half an hour or 45 minutes. Make it an hour so that we make sure. So you turn it off, the power pump. We close this one. That one is still open. The low pressure is still open. Okay, so we leave it, all the pressure going in. So if this one goes to zero, goes back to zero, it means we have a leak. Okay, so just give me half an hour or half an hour or 1 hour. Alright, bros, this is now 45 minutes, and as you can see, it's still on the 29 or 30. So we just vacuum that. Now there's probably some more in there, so we're gonna do it again. But I've noticed that the oil for this one is actually low, so I'm going to put it on, cut it up. So the oil that actually come with it, so everything is in here. Okay, so we're going to close it. Snap. close it properly. Okay, that's the all that okay. It's going a little bit shaking. Alright, now we're going to turn it on. Get open again. We're gonna vacuum again for another 45 minutes. So now we're gonna open it. Also on the other side. Okay, just to make sure it's stuck everything. Maybe there's some more left there. So we leave it for about 45 minutes. So we done 1 minute before, and then we leave it for 45 minutes. We come back, we do it again. Now this time we're gonna do it 45 minutes, and then after that we install a new AC compressor. Okay. Alright, brosis. While we are waiting for the AC compressor to be sucked in it and vacuum the system of the refrigerator and gas, whatever it is. So this is the one I bought it. It's actually 2016. Mine is actually 2015. So what we're looking for is the 1.8 liter JH, and it's actually a Delphi. It has to be a Delphi. So this is the one we need. I think they probably put the oil with this one. Comes with an oil, so I don't need to do anything. But because I'm not going to refill an AC, it's the same thing anyway. If you buy the AC or in a can, it's gonna cost you about $89 to $100. So I'm just gonna bring it to a friend of mine who do the air conditioning, and it's just refill it for me for $100. It's the same thing. So all I need to do is to install a second hand, or if you want, you can install a new one. This one is actually a second hand. This is quite really expensive to buy a new one. It's about $300 plus. This one I bought only for about $85. Okay, so it's still alright. It looks good to me. Yeah, yeah. It comes with one bolt. There's actually 3 bolts in it. 1, 2, and 3. And hopefully this one's got no bolts. I have the bolt there anyway. So yeah. Okay. So while we are waiting for that, you can see, yeah, it's now going to a while ago it was actually on the 28 to 29. Now it's actually on 30. So it's still sucking some of the AC refrigeration or whatever you call it, that bloody thing.
Say what?
Okay, still sucking it. All right. Alright, bros, it's now 45 minutes. That's being complete. So we're now going to turn it off. Now we turn it off. Now we're going to close it. So we know that there's no leak on it. We close that. As you can see, it's now on 30. Yeah. What we do now is to what's that? Close it. Close it. There we go. And the other one, you need to close it. Okay. So we're going to remove it. There you go. You remove that. You close that. Then the other one. Okay, so make sure you close this one before you put it back. Okay. Okay, now the vacuum is complete. Now we can actually install a new compressor or a second-hand AC compressor. You don't want to miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?